Take your Hindi notebook. Everyone ready? Take your Hindi notebook, open a fresh page, write down today's date, and the heading you will write dictation. Wait, class? Write down the date and topic dictation. Take your Hindi notebook, open a fresh page, write down the topic dictation. Prayag. Okay, now I'm sharing you the screen. You will see the picture and you will write the words, okay?
Vedika, where are you going? My nanny house. I'm also going today, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, now shall we start? Here we can see the first picture. Okay, what is this picture called?
Chidiya. Chidiya.
Chidiya, okay? So write down the word chidiya. The spelling you have to write it by yourself.
Chidiya.
Chidiya. Chidiya. The first word chidiya. Done, everyone?
I'm done.
Then the second picture is of?
Anar.
Yes. Yes. So write down the next picture is of anar. So write down anara, anar. This is aki and iki matra word. Anara, anar. So chidiya and anar. Done, everyone?
Yes. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's move to the next picture then. Ayash, are you done, bacha?
No, ma'am.
Bacha, write it down. Why you are talking then?
Ma'am is trying to blend the words, but he's not able to.
Oh. Try. It's easy. Anar is so very easy. Chidiya is might be difficult, but anar is easy. This is iki matra and aki matra word. Now let's move to the next picture then. Okay. What is this picture called? We will say
Kathal.
yes, it is a kathal. So write down kathal. In English, we will say jackfruit. Danish, you have joined a late, bacha.
And dhania.
Yes. What is the next picture?
Dhania.
Yes, correct. So the next is dhania, kathal and dhania.
मैम लिखने का है.
हाँ बच्चा.
मैम.
Yes, Yanvi. These are the 4 pictures which we have done, Yanvi. Why are you late to join, Yanvi?
नेटवर्क इश्यू था थोड़ा इसलिए.
Acha, okay. So Yanvi, this is the 4 picture which you have to write. Okay, you have to write the words of this picture.
मैम धनिया.
हाँ. So पहला है चिड़िया, फिर अनार, then कटहल and then धनिया. Now check the answers for this 4. Then we will move ahead. Whether you have written in a correct way or not. So this is चिड़िया, the first one. ई की मात्रा. Okay. चौ में भी ई की मात्रा, ड में भी ई की मात्रा and या. Then अनार, अनार. Okay. Then कटहल, कटहल. Then last में धनिया. ओके. ध के बाद न में ई की मात्रा और य में आ की मात्रा. So धनिया, धनिया. Okay everyone. Now let's move to the next picture. Next picture is this. What is this first picture we will say?
विमान.
हाँ?
जहाज.
Okay, Hawai Jahaj is also correct. Anybody else wants to say any different name? हाँ.
छिलका.
हाँ?
छिलका.
Silka, so next one is there. I was talking the first. See, Hawai Jahaj is also correct. If you can write the spelling of Hawai Jahaj, that is a very big word. So you can write. Otherwise, Viman will be easy. So you can write.
लिखो विमान.
Viman.
वाह.
Yes, of course. Va. Shlok.
मैम
हाँ.
हवाई जहाज की स्पेलिंग क्या है?
पर आपको हवाई जहाज लिखना है कि विमान लिखना है?
मेरे को तो विमान लिखना है.
तो विमान लिखिए. हवाई जहाज इज बिग वर्ड, डिफिकल्ट वन. विमान, विमान. म्यूट योर माइक्रोफोन, दानिश.
मैम ये विमान ही लिखना है ना?
हाँ हाँ मैम, विमान ही लिखना है. Then what is the next picture for after Viman?
छिलका. मैम छिलका.
It is chilka, chilka. So write down Viman and then chilka. Viman
Ma'am, done.
and Chilka. Let's move to the next picture now, class.
Ma'am, how to write P, ma'am? Ma'am,
व में ई की मात्रा, म में आ की मात्रा, then न. Viman. Say the word, you will identify the matra.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Now it is proper.
Yes, ma'am.
व में ई की मात्रा, म में आ की मात्रा, and न. Viman. Now the next picture. What is this?
Bharat.
Yes, Bharat. So you will write Bharat.
Ma'am, P.
Correct.
मैम छिलका है कि केला इससे पहले वाला?
बच्चा इसमें आपको केला दिख रहा है? केला गायब हो चुका है. केला इज नॉट देयर. सो इट इज अ छिलका, है ना? छिलका है, छिलका.
मैम इसको क्या कहते हैं? नक्शा क्या? भारत.
भारत.
How to write छिलका? How to write छिलका?
Just a minute, huh? Why should I tell you how to write chilka? I told you na, the spelling, you should know it. You have to write it by, this is a dictation. Think and write. It's okay if it is wrong, but you have to write it by yourself. Say the word and bifurcate the sound. Think about matra. Which matra will come? It's chilka. Nivan, what are you doing? Hide and seek? Playing hide and seek?
Ma'am, don't pin.
Okay, Vedika. Yes, what is the picture? Yes, Hriday, I didn't understand, bacha.
અને મેં મારે કઈ વાત કરવી છે.
Okay, let's check the answers for this four. Viman, Chilka, Bharat and Pin. Okay? The last word is, the septi pin you can see, we will write pin. Okay? Pina pin. Done everyone, these four words? Yes, love? Yes,
I'm done.
Okay. Laksh, you want to say something?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, mute your microphone now. Check your answers. Viman, Chilka and Bharat, Pin. Okay? If any spelling is wrong, yes, please correct it. Yes, Vedika?
Can you show your board? Correct, except I don't know. Bharat.
Bharat bha में आ की मात्रा, then र त भारत. Viman, Chilka, Bharat and Pin. Okay? Chalo. Now let's move to the next.
Correct.
Very good. Next picture. What is this?
Plate.
No, I was talking this. What is this? This specs? Yes, enough. Wait. First of all, we will see the first picture, that is Anak. Then we will move ahead. Okay? Just a minute. Write down first of all Anak, everyone. It's Anak.
Chasma.
Chasma? Chasma. Okay, you can write chasma also. That is also correct.
But it's a half Shona, ma'am. That's why.
Oh yes, true. True. So we will write Anak. Thank you, ma'am. We will write Anak.
Ma'am, done Anak.
Okay, then next what is the next picture?
Anak. गिनती. Ma'am, अंक.
एक सेकेंड. हाँ बच्चा. Yes, Yanvi.
Anak की spelling क्या है?
We are doing dictation. So I will tell you the spelling at the end. First of all, you have to write it by yourself.
Ma'am, अंक.
Anka. Okay, we can say Anka also. That is also correct. But we can include more is fine, right? Both the words are correct. Whatever you want to write. Ginti or Ank. For numbers, we can say Ank. So Ginti is also correct and Ank is also correct.
मैम गिनती में बड़ी की मात्रा आएगी, I think so. त में.
Ginti.
Yes, ma'am. It's badi ki matra.
Just a minute. Huh? Okay, yes. त में बड़ी की मात्रा आएगी. So it will be Ank. ग में छोटी है. So it will be Ank. Done? Then nice. Good. Now, the next picture. What is this?
Sitara.
Ha, Sitara. So write down. Sitara. Sorry.
मैम ये क्या है?
कौन सा वाला?
ये गिनती के बाद
सितार.
सितार. गाजर के बाद
Then next, okay. After sitar, what is this?
गाजर.
Yes, it is a gajar.
गाजर.
Write down Anak, Ang, and gajar.
मैम done.
Done? Okay, let's check the answers for the 4. So, Anak, Ank, Sitara, and Gajar. Okay?
Ma'am, all are correct.
Very good. Now let's move to the next picture. These are the 4 pictures. The first picture is of. What is the first picture?
Button. Button.
Button, yes. So write down button. Huh? After button?
Mala. Mala.
Ha, it is a mala.
Mala. Ma'am.
हाँ बच्चा.
Satya. Satya. These. Here two चिड़िया to गाजर.
Just a minute, huh? Hamala is correct. Yes, Kanak, what?
I didn't do button and those.
So right now you have to write it. Button, then mala, then takiya. Write down.
Ma'am,
And what is the last picture here after takiya?
Pawan. Pawan.
Yes, it is Bhavan. Okay, so button, mala, takiya, and Bhavan.
Ma'am, all are correct.
What
Ma'am,
happened,
I
Kanak?
got answer.
Just a minute, I'll show you the answers. Kanak?
Button.
Then what after button?
Ma'am, done.
Good luck.
Yeah, ma'am.
Done, Hriday?
Done.
Hriday? Yes, correct. Correct. Good. Chalo, so let me show you the answers. The last one. Okay, check your answers. Button, button. Mala, mala. Takiya, and bhavana, bhavan. Okay, so button, mala, takiya, and bhavan. I hope your all answers are correct and now you are clear with E की मात्रा and A की मात्रा. आप लोगों को आ रही है, right? कि अभी भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है?
मैम, रीडिंग नहीं होता मुझे.
रीडिंग नहीं होता, पर आपको रोज बैठोगे ना, everyday if you will sit, try to read.
नहीं होता.
नहीं आता? क्या नहीं आता? Just a minute. Laksh, Nivan, please mute your microphone. Okay, हृदय आपको ई की मात्रा कैसे लिखते हैं वो पता है?
लिखना अभी उसको आ रहा है मैडम, मगर रीडिंग में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है उसको.
ई की मात्रा करने में वो टाइम लगेगा मैम, जल्दी नहीं आने वाला.
पूरा वर्ड में एक ही ई की मात्रा रहेगा तो वो रीड कर पाएगा, मगर ई की मात्रा आ की मात्रा सब मिक्स रहेगा तो डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है.
No issue, we will do little bit more revision. No, don't worry. But yes, one thing that you have to sit for Hindi now. अभी तक आप इंग्लिश के लिए बैठते थे, अभी हिंदी के लिए भी you have to sit every day and you have to read the words. Okay, then only you are able to do. I am telling you to everyone, not only to one. This is for all of you. The more you will do reading, the more you will clear with the concept. Otherwise, it is difficult. फिर आप बोलो कि मैम नहीं आ रहा है, नहीं आता है, नहीं हो रहा है, तो नहीं चलेगा. अगर आप रोज बैठोगे लिखने के लिए और रीडिंग के लिए तो आपको आएगा, वरना नहीं आएगा. क्योंकि अभी तो आ की मात्रा की है, वी हैव डन ई की मात्रा, फिर बड़ी ई, फिर बड़ा ऊ, छोटा ऊ, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. देन हाउ यू ओके पाकी?
मैम, done.
Okay, yes, you can show me the notebook. I can see Paaki here. Good.
Ma'am, done.
Laksh, Ayansh. Oh, Prayag, good. Hate, nice, well done. Good, Shiven, perfect. Shlok, I can't see your notebook, bacha, clearly.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, Vedika, I can see. Good. Yes, Shlok. Well done. So it means you are writing It's okay, but you have to do more practice now. Okay. So here we are done with our Hindi class. Bye bye everyone. Danish, you can show me your notebook and then on you can go.
Ma'am, do I have reading class?
Yes, you have a reading class. So, Yanvi, very nice. Good. Answers are correct, Yanvi.
मैम वो रीडिंग क्लास है?
Yes, Yanvi, आपका भी रीडिंग क्लास है. Yanvi, वेदिका, श्लोक एंड शिव. लक्ष्य, बाय बच्चा. Bye. So here we are done. Danish, you have to show me your notebook.